Hola amigos, espero que todo vaya bien. It's that time of year again. It's my favorite time of year. And I want to do two things in this lesson. The first one is I want to teach you some Spanish words that relate to this time of the year. So let's jump right into that part of the lesson. First, Christmas is La Navidad. La Navidad, which I'm sure you know that means the birth. And I'm sure you've all heard this phrase and the song Feliz Navidad, which is Merry Christmas. You're really saying Happy Christmas, same thing, right? And next is Happy New Year, and that is Próspero año. Próspero año. Notice the accent is on the first part of the word, the first syllable on the O. And when you're talking about the man himself, Santa Claus, he is Papá Noel. Papá Noel. And of course, if you have Santa, you have to have an elf, right? An elf is elfo. That's pretty easy, elfo. And, where would Santa be without his reindeer, right? Reindeer is reno, reno. Tree is árbol, árbol, accent on the first letter. Gift is regalo, regalo. Lights are luces, luces. And a stocking is calcetín, calcetín. A wreath, they actually use the word corona, corona. And garland, this is kind of a challenging one to say, guirnalda, guirnalda. All right, mistletoe is muérdago, muérdago. Now, ornament makes sense based on the English word. It's adorno, adorno. Now, here in the United States, I know lots of people love to have poinsettias, those beautiful little flowers. Are they plants, flowers? Anyway, they love to have those at Christmas time. And in Spanish, a poinsettia is called flor de Pascua, flor de Pascua. Angel is ángel, ángel. Holly, popular decoration, is acebo, acebo. And everybody loves snowflakes this time of year, right? A snowflake is copo de nieve, copo de nieve. Now, if you're lucky enough to have snowflakes on Christmas, you'll need this one. Snowman is muñeco de nieve, muñeco de nieve. Now, if you have a lot of snow, you're probably going to need this one also, and that is a sled. A sled is trineo, trineo. Now, I know you love these gingerbread cookies, right? Those are galleta de jengibre. Jengibre. Yeah, break that one up. Say it a couple times. You'll get it down. Okay, now speaking of treats, a candy cane is bastón de caramelo. Bastón de caramelo. And we love to send cards at Christmas, and those are tarjetas. Tarjetas. Now, if you're like me, you probably love having candles around. I know I do. Candle is vela. Vela. And let's do one more. A bell is campana. Campana. Okay, amigos, you should be able to talk about Christmas now once you get these down. So, go ahead, get them down, bring them into your conversations during this special time of year. Now, the second thing I want to do in this lesson, everybody, is I want to wish all of you a Feliz Navidad y Próspero año. I hope you all have a magical time with your families and your friends celebrating this wonderful season. And I wish for you and all your family and friends the most blessed year you've ever known in 2025. Feliz Navidad, amigos. Paz y bendiciones.